nauseous and started discharging blood in my stool. Later, after preliminary investigations, they diagnosed it as sigmoid colon. For that, they suggested surgery. During surgery, they came to know that it is because of endometriosis. It had badly injured my intestinal part, and part of the intestine was removed due to this. Later, I was under hormone treatment under Dr. Manisha Singh. After 2 years, anyhow that endometriosis layer was reoccurring, Madam suggested to undergo robotic surgery for the hysterectomy, because that robotic surgery had less pain and also loss of blood was very less and recovery was very fast. That was true. I recovered very fast with less pain due to this robotic surgery. So I am very thankful to Dr. Manisha Singh and her team suggested to undergo this robotic surgery. I suggest everyone to take care of their health, and especially women should take care of their health by undergoing scanning regularly after 40 plus. Thank you, Fortis Hospital. Thanks.